Say your name, I'm over here, I say your name today. Say your name, I'm over here, I want you to stay. I'm saying your names, I'm saying your name, I'm saying you with the best. I'm saying your name, so yes, I'm over here to the test. So share the love, I'm over here, I'm here to say your name. So then you berry sports highlight, I'm here to say your name. So Gary in the house today, I want to say your name. So DJ in the house and now I'm here to say your name. So Kendall Wilkinson is in it, yes I say your name. So Mr. Aisha, I'm in here to say your name. So CC Texas Garden when I'm here to say your name. So people in the house will know I'm here to say your name. So when I say your name today, I'm here to say your name. I'm saying it all your name because I'm showing love my way. I want to say your name because you came up in the chat. So everybody saying that J, oh yes, I'm liking it. I want to say your name today, or when I say it proud. Oh yes, I'm over here and I want to shout you out. I want to say your name until the people coming by. Oh yes, I'm saying your name and I want to say hi. So RX Nail, I'm in here to say your name. Oh yes, I'm over here today, I'm going to say your name. So Autumn Tucker in the house, I'm here to say your name. So everybody, do you know me when I say your name? So Jamie Brother JB, I'm here to say your name. So thank you for the coming by so I can say your name. I also see official Jamie, yeah, I'm saying your name. Oh yeah, we talking about they getting bigger with the name. So I'm over here, I'm in here to say your name. I'm doing off the top of my brain to say your name. Some people looking in and looking in the up at me, but still I'm over here to say your name up on that beat. So when I say your name, I say your name because you slow. You know that that's your best, and I say I come for show. I wanna say your name and I say your name today. So everybody that's to keep on going tonight today. So hashtag bomb, I'm in here to say your name. Yes, I'm over here today. I'm here to say your name. So when I say your name and I say your name my way, some people over here that and is what I wanna say. I also see the CL Brown. I say your name. Oh yes, I'm saying your name. And when we deep up in this game. So when I see the Buddha of the Destiny, the Namaste. When I say your name today, I'm gonna say your name my ways and what. Then I come to say your name. I'm saying your name, and when we deep up in that game. People looking up, and when I'm here to say your name. So now we over here to just to go and say your name. So check a copy, Jada Siski, I would say your name. Oh yes, I'm over here today. I'm here to say your name. So leave you tell you know with me, I'm here to say your name. So people's over here and now I'm here to say your name. So DT Hope 23 TV, I'm over here to say your name. You here with me. I'm also saying your name and say your name on that beat. Some other people saying what I really wanna be. Chatika Woods, I say your name. I say your name today. Some people's coming in it and I say your name my way. The bar caught the run over when I say your name. I'm saying your name today. I'm showing love and hear my way. So thank you everybody coming by. I want to say your name and I'm telling you hi. I'm saying your name and I say it with pride. I'm saying it with my chest and I'm waving high. But still I'm over here and I'm saying your name. The people in my chat, I'm over saying your name. So when I say your name and I just say it with pride, I'm over here today and I'm not gonna hide. Saying I'm gonna say your name. Everybody, can I say your name? You came in the chat, so I'm saying your name. So let me say it one more time when I say your name. The Shade Love name, when I say your name. Daniel Berry Sports Highlight, I'm saying your name. Gilbert DJ, I also say your name. Kendall Wilkinson when I'm saying your name. So Miss Aisha, yes, I say your name. CC Texas Garden getting deeper than this game. RX Nails when I wanna say your name. Cuticles is in the house, so when I say your name. So when I see the auto trucker, yes, I say your name. So Jamie Brown is over here, oh, when I say your name. Oh, this is Jamie Yoder, and I'm here to say your name. So hashtag bum, I'm here to say your name. So CL Brown, when I'm here to say your name. So Buddha of the Destiny, the namaste. I'm here to say your name, I say your name and hear my way. Some people say, oh yes, I'm gonna say your name today. So Jacob Coffee, Jada Siski in the house. Yes, I'm over here to say your name up in my house. I seen Aaliyah, Jada, and I'm here to say your name. So DJ Holder 23 TV, I say your name. So when I see the Sugar Chico Woods, I say your name. So Mother Carter runner over deep up in this game. I said your name and I say it with a smile. So thank you for the coming over. I hope you like my style. Saying, hey, said I'm here to sing your name. I'm over here today, I'm here to say your name. I'm over here to and I say your name today. Because I am the J, I say your name. I'm saying your name and I say your name. I'm over here today to when I'm singing your name. I'm singing your name when I'm singing your name. Oh yes, I wanna thank you for saying your name. I'm saying your name.